Today, we're diving into a super important topic, the 5 most reliable SUVs of 2025. Whether you're buying for family, work, or long-term ownership, reliability is a huge factor. Because when your SUV is dependable, you save on repairs, stress, and worry. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. One of the top picks in reliability is the Toyota RAV4. According to iSeeCars, the RAV4 has a reliability rating of 8.2 out of 10, making it one of the most dependable crossover SUVs. Why is it so reliable? It benefits from Toyota's proven powertrains and long history of durable engineering. Its resale value is strong, meaning even if you decide to sell down the line, it retains value well. Safety also plays a role. iSeeCars ranks it high in their quality score, which combines reliability, safety, and value loss. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner. Next up is the Toyota 4Runner, especially known for its ruggedness and longevity. It's an 8.3 reliability rating in its segment. What makes the 4Runner special? It's a body-on-frame SUV, so it's built more like a truck, very durable for serious use, off-roading, or heavy-duty applications. It has a strong track record for going very high mileage. Longest-lasting SUVs study shows a large percentage of 4Runners are likely to reach 250,000 plus miles. It also retains value well and is a favorite among people who keep their vehicles for a long time. If you want a reliable SUV that's tough and built to last, the 4Runner is a fantastic pick. Number 3. Toyota Land Cruiser. When it comes to large, capable, long-lasting SUVs, the Toyota Land Cruiser stands out. It has one of the highest reliability ratings in the large SUVs 3-row category. Key reasons for its reliability: legendary build. The Land Cruiser is known for robust engineering, ideal for both highway driving and off-road adventures. Longevity. Many Land Cruisers rack up very high mileage thanks to their durable frame and engines. Strong resale and safety credentials help make it a buy once, keep forever type of vehicle. Number 4. Subaru Crosstrek. On the smaller side, the Subaru Crosstrek is one of the most reliable subcompact SUVs in 2025. It's a reliability rating of 8.0 out of 10. Why it's so dependable? Proven Subaru AWD system. It uses components that have been around for a while, which helps minimize unexpected failures. Good balance of efficiency and ruggedness. Crosstrek is light, but capable enough for varied driving conditions. Strong owner satisfaction. Subaru's AWD and reliability appeal to buyers who want something practical and long-lasting. Number 5. Honda CR-V. Another very reliable choice is the Honda CR-V. In the crossover category, CR-V's a reliability score of 8.2 out of 10, the same as RAV4. Why CR-V makes the list? Honda's reputation for building long-lasting, efficient engines. Good mix of space, comfort, and fuel economy. Perfect for families or daily commuting. High long-term value retention, which makes it economical over many years. CR-V is a great pick for someone who prioritizes reliability, practicality, and lower running cost. So, there you have it. 5 of the most reliable SUVs in 2025, from compact crossovers like the RAV4 and CR-V to rugged long haulers like the 4Runner. These are the SUVs that are built to last. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and drop a comment. Which reliable SUV is your favorite, or which one you'd pick for long-term ownership? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.